I'm at my secret hiding place, and back in the 2000s, I had gone to a Psycho Stick, maybe another show. I don't remember. I did see a lot of Psycho Sticks at the Mill Street Brew in Southbridge, Massachusetts. So I go there one night, watch a little bit of the show, go back out, smoke a doobie, and there's three or four, five people. Ah, okay, we'll smoke one too. So the guy next to me, to the left, smoked it, handed it to me, handed it to the next guy, three, four, five, back to him, and I let the smoke out when the joint came back to me. And he said, he looked at me and he says, Jesus, he says, my dad does the same thing. He says he takes in a hit and goes forever. Yep, that's where you get your buzz. Oh, oh yeah, that's what I did too. No hiding it anymore. Nobody of any significance watches my videos, so I am enjoying the life of. Do you remember the life of Riley? I do. Yeah. Doug Riley? I think it was Alice Riley. Yeah. The life of Riley. He used to sit and do nothing. He used to get out of doing whatever he could in black and white, people. Could you get that? He used to do it in black and white, just like the Honeymooners. They used to do it in black and white. All right, so I've been fucked up. Jesus, I can't get through the fence today, so I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to go through where I can. Wow, yeah, I got to take the helmet off before I... Hang on. I got to take the helmet off before I put my glasses on because they slide right in here. Tara, I sat with Sarah tonight. Tara, tonight at the bar. I pulled up a chair. There were three places to the left of this girl, and I took the one right next to her. Oh, bastard. Ah, Gary. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't know if I'm narcissistic or not, but I like fucking talking to people. I like the camaraderie. I can't stand not being in a bar just because I'm talking to people. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I will, but wow, I go to a bar to enjoy a drink, and I've had three, so yeah, I'm stewed. What the fuck do you expect? So anyway, I had a good time with the barkeep today. Oh, excellent time with the barkeep today. That girl is very attentive. I like that. She might, yeah, very attentive. Owing to the fact that she doesn't have 25, 30 people at the bar expecting to drink every once in a while. She's got 6, 7, 8 people. Okay, I'm all set. I'm going to go talk to Gary. She talks to other people too. Oh, I'm not it. Oh, I see her sometimes talking to somebody else at the end of the bar. Jesus. Kind of Gary, what are you doing? I talked to the girl next to me today, Tara. She's fucked up. Oh, look out. Oh, shit, we're in the fucking goddamn bushes. Tara. Short hair, blonde girl. Late 40s, early 50s. Nice girl. Yeah, I got a grandkid or two or whatever like that. Wow. On. Oh, what? Nerd. I did marry the right girl. Don't know if I'm going to say this. I did marry the right girl. This girl is a young girl, likes to be not around other people, does coagulate with other people, but not to an extent so party. Parties are out of the question, and Yeah, we don't do good at parties because they're not the same people as these G-Lights. Unless it's a family party. So anyway, oh shit, did I mention, I did another video with this one. I don't know if you can hear me because the wind is up, but I just mentioned my birthday today at the bar, and oh, yeah, you gonna be there? Oh shit, yeah, we'll be there, Gary. Oh, a little party for the Beezer guy. January 30th is my birthday. January 29th is my party at Amherst, which is a Wednesday. I think they said to me, the two people at the end of the bar. Oh, wow. And while I was watching TV and talking to the girl next to me, they were down there planning this. Joe and Sarah. They were planning my birthday. Because I said something. Oh, I'm not narcissistic. Narcissistic? Is that narcissistic? Oh, why do you fucking think I have videos? Watch me! Watch me! Look at this. No snow. Except across the street, like a cloud just burst right there on that guy's lawn. Yeah, I'm not narcissistic. I just like enjoying myself and my life going on from here to eternity. People going by left and right. It could be any time now, people. So let me tell you right now, I can't think of anything else but put a smile on the Beezer guy's face and just deal with it. I'm a happy soul. I don't have any fucking financial, I have some domestic problems, but I went to Amfest today and had 3. What kind of domestic problems do I have? All right. Oh, what'd you say? There's 1, 2, fuck them. I've been married for 49 years, who gives a shit? I've been watching a video of a guy that has a First Amendment, and the cops come up and tell him, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that, and the guy says, hey, I'm 49 years old, don't tell me what to do, I've been making it by for this long, leave me alone. You know, a guy with a camera. At a police station and or post office, whatever they do, stand on the corners and shit. Yeah. I haven't been to a concert. Well, 2020, January. I haven't been to a concert since early July, June, May, April. Don't remember. Hatebreed, Killswitch Engage shows, I can't remember. Was in 2019. Oh, good year. I went down and saw my mom in Florida. I probably won't be able to anymore since I fucked up my license. But I will change that. Yeah, there's emails in the works. Yeah, I'm a fool. I'm a stupid fool. Gary, they're telling you gotta have this work, this paperwork, and this paperwork, and you only got one of them. What do you want to do? Fuck it, give me the license anyway. No! So, I gotta change it. What was I talking about? I can't remember, but I'm on my way home. I don't know how bright or light it is, but I have glasses that, can you see my eyes? I know, not yet. Can you see my eyes? You don't give a shit. Yeah, it's faster than 45. Dude! Who's coming? Somebody coming down the road behind me. Right. Right here. Breeze. This morning covered everything. Yeah, that was 8:30, 8:39 anyway. By noon, 1 o'clock, it was gone. All this stuff was gone. A little bit on the lawn, but yeah. Dennis and I were supposed to be riding today. He called. I figured it was no go because I was watching it out of my cooler room window, and it was shitty out. So anyway, Sharon says, that's my honey. And she said that rolling cars in it together. I could do both here. That car was frickin' 100% and downstairs. Bye, honey. Okay, have a nice ride. I tell her I'm going for a ride. Honey, I'm going for a ride today. All right. She never, ever says, but honey, never. In the last make sure you wear your yellow reflective and have your lights on. You get them? Okay. I got the lights over here. I can't see now. I'm going by the GPS in my brain. Yeah, it's called two vodkas. And smoking to and from on the way home. And doing it for the last 2 years, at least a week, a year, a day, a week, once a week. Oh, you can't even figure that out. I know. Come on, boys. Boys and girls that watch my videos, please send it on to somebody else. I know I'm a little flake, but, oh, I'm not a flake. I'm a dude. I don't know what that is either. I don't get it. Ooh, I'm on Zipper. Ooh, I'm on 1 and 1. Holy cow. So anyway. Oh yeah, people. I'm just a 70-year-old guy looking for the next metal show. Because that's what I have on my... Ooh. Let's trade for this road. What do I do? Because, as you can see, you get any of that? I know. Yeah, we say that on every video. You know why? I don't think I got the camera out where it's supposed to be. So I ask. Oh, they got some air in here. Isn't that part of it? Yeah, I was gonna clip this guy's hedges, not hedges, but he has some weeds sticking out over here on the side. And I was gonna get them, but now that I'm pooped. Oh, my boots are all dirty too. Fuck it. Uh-oh. Get that muffler, fix it. Well, that was the one. The other one was. Oh, a yellow car. We went last year, 2 years ago, to get Sharon's cousin a car. And she wanted a pastel vehicle. Yeah, 15 grand. 15.6, I think the total was. She wrote him a check for 15.6. Don't send me no bill, don't send me no payment program. Yep. That's how you do it. Alright, whoa, I don't have that. What the fuck is going on? Are you shitting me? I don't have metal. I haven't had metal for about 5 minutes now. Are you kidding? Oh, it's on one of those. Come on. Oh, come on. Something's on there, but it's just a lot of static for now. Come on, play something. Oh yeah, there you go. I know that song. I just deleted. I didn't delete it. I got rid of it. Come on, play something. Come on. Oh, wow. Oh, that was kind of tough. Really, that was kind of tough. Getting through that, but the other one that I got, which is newer, is a lot more interface. You know, I can't put the interface yet. You got that? Hang on. Yeah, I don't care for the interface. I just want to turn it on and push couple, 1, 2, whatever buttons and go. I don't want to have to stop, go again, stop, go again, stop, go again. Yeah, push this button, push that button. Fuck that shit. Why do you think I have an app? I push the app button, tells me I'm in, I have a password, get me there. Do whatever I need to do. I should be able to go, what did I do the last time I was here? Boom, we're going to do it again. Which is what they do most of the time. Alright, I don't know how long this frickin' video is, but I bet it's a good long one. I have no glasses on, can't read shit. Metal.